This is where I'm located at. Got my setup, the gear, powering up the solar stations in the car, and powering up all my other accessories to Alright, so I've sat down long enough and the gold is just not going to jump into the pan. So I'll get myself organised and get down and start getting to business. Alright, so I have to come back to the car, grab this so I can fly the drone along the creek, as well as pick up this action camera, because lo and behold I cannot find the extra battery pack. So it's lucky that it was on the charge for half an hour and it charged almost to full capacity, which is good, and find the battery packs as well as glasses. I think I've lost 4 pairs of glasses. They're in the car somewhere, but oh my god, just like, give me a break. But anyhow, going to get down the creek. The reason why I went back to the car and got the action camera, because I just kind of wanted to show what I've got in the pan. Here's a step. What am I going to pan? So I've done about 2 or 3 pans. Each pan I've got a few specks of gold. Not complaining. But I kind of want to just show you, I think, well, it's already going to be a good day. I already know that. It's going to be a long day, but it's going to be a good day. Alright, from that pan, just 3 little specks. So, after what it feels like about an hour to try and set this up, I've got my sluice going. We'll run a bucket or 2, see what happens, and make adjustments accordingly. So I've got my first bucket of dirt. What I like to do is sit in a lazy chair and just feed the sluice, and I do see a speck of gold up the top. said before, I hate setting up a sluice. So that should be clearing out fairly quickly. I mean, in theory you're supposed to have like a V running there. I have got a V. I mean, it's, I don't know. It's just I can never ever get a sluice set up properly. And I just don't get it. I just don't get it. I mean, is it possibly like the water flow? I mean, there's some stuff, small stuff jumping around there, but yeah, I don't know, but there's a speck of gold right there, and then there's another speck of gold right there as well. I don't know. Anyhow, I'll keep running it and, you know, see what happens. Now, it's probably going to go and have a break. I do have to sort out the car because frankly I keep missing glasses and I seem to have lost my extra battery packs for the action camera. Get the solar station and the fridge out of the car because it's probably warming up a bit, get it in the shade. So for my break, I brought along my Ninja blender. Right there. So in the fridge I've got banana and strawberries. Going to blend it with some powder. Right there, just some powder in there. And blend it all into that container and have that for lunch. Alright, so the most enjoyable part of this sluicing process that I enjoy is not falling over. That was close. Jeez, these are very slippery. This is the enjoyable part of sluicing. In a chair, feet in the sluice. Yeah, sitting back, relaxing, trying to hide the knees from getting burnt. The sluice is working a little bit better. I'm happy with it now. You sit back, relax, let the sluice do all the work. Just broke the yabby pump. Ah, there you go. Such a loser. Hopefully I can find the screw. Ah, the screw. Screw back on. The Yabby pump's working. Back on track. Out of the top V mat, the black mat up top of the sluice, there's about, I think it's about 15 to 20 specks maybe out of the black. It'll be interesting to see if I'm holding anything in the green mat. In the green mat, there's about 12 specks there. So all up, the morning actually started pretty good. I thought it might get quite a bit of gold, but as soon as I chucked on the sluice and stuffed around with that, it just kind of went downhill from there. So even though good day, good long day, went for a bit of explore. There's some new places to look at. When I come back here, I think in probably 2 weeks, I think I'll be back here again. And yeah, hopefully at that time I'll have a little bit more success. So the afternoon's winding down, time to have some dinner, get myself organised for a movie night this evening before hitting the sack.